So, it's been raining constantly here in Slovenia, and I've not been able to go out at all. Not because there's a flood or anything, because in nearby towns, or really close in my town, or other parts of my town, there's really bad floods. And I'm talking really close, like a couple of kilometers away. Luckily far enough that it's not affecting us, but constant rain does make us worry, so we're just staying at home for now, as much as possible, except for when we need to go groceries shopping or other important things, Which is pretty bad. Okay, so terrible stuff is happening. There's massive floods in Slovenia right now. Like look at this. Bridges are being ruined. Houses are being flooded. Like absolute hills where houses are even are getting ruined, as you can see on the news right now. Now we're luckily in Ljubljana, so we don't have to deal with any of this. Well, yeah, there's constant rain, but that's still a lot better than all of this happening to us. Floods, having to take care of our building. It's just raining outside. There's no floods here in Ljubljana, so we're okay. The dogs are sleeping. And this video is gonna come up late, and I apologize if it does, but today is August 5th, right? Plenty of floods happening right now, which is not a good thing. Not a positive thing. No. It's like everything's being flooded. There's a ton of rain all the time. Like, look at this video. Like, what the hell? Everything's being ruined, everything's falling apart. It's total chaos outside of Ljubljana right now. So because my curiosity is infinite, I have an idea. I'm gonna go cycling and try to find where the floods are. So, wish me luck. God damn it. These socks are falling apart, but I don't care since I'm gonna have another pair over. Any protection is good protection, even if it's damaged like that. Okay, I'm not gonna use my black shoes because clearly they're starting to degrade really quick. I put too much on because I look like I have a beer belly right now. I got shorts under here, 2 pairs of socks. Literally 2 pairs of socks. There's another pair under these, like showed earlier. The thing for your knees. These fairly thin pants. Kitty cat shirt. Sweater, I think. And this leather jacket that has a ton of leather to protect me from the... Like, this is still part of the jacket. And also a lot of this. Yeah. For my neck. A belt, literally a belt on my jacket, and these shoes I've barely worn ever since I got those, and those have been worn out for some time, so I haven't worn these in a while. They're also leather. They're a bit damaged. Is that wet or is that cold? That's cold. Yeah, so this sole thing here, it's a bit damaged from how it was cleaned. But it should work if it's not too small, because I have 2 pairs of goddamn socks on. Okay, they're definitely tight. Okay, they are very tight. Holy crap! It hurts a bit. My toes are definitely in pain because of this stupid tightness. My fault this time, probably, or because my leg got bigger, and because I'm wearing 2 socks. Should get used to it since it's leather and the shape slowly gets different. I haven't worn these a lot, so it could be an issue. They're very clean. Wow, they do feel very good on my feet, though. Oh, I like them actually. I'll probably start wearing them again. Seriously. We're getting a fake flood, aka so much rain that our draining system can't handle it because it's garbage. But hey, at least we have one, right? Oh, I wish I could take the car. That would be so much more convenient. But no, I'm not old enough. And what if I break car? Vroom. Plenty of water everywhere. No floods here in Ljubljana, but definitely a lot of water everywhere. Businesses are practically empty. Okay, that's definitely some water. Definitely a lot of super tiny floods that won't really do much to you unless you're cycling like I am. There's a lot of water, obviously. Here are the sewers from here. Bad timing for me to be switching to iPhone for 7 days because this one isn't waterproof and I don't have the plug thingy for the charging port because I don't know where I put it. Doggy. Rain everywhere. It's like impossible to escape from. In Austria there's floods. Also pretty bad floods there too. And in other parts of Slovenia outside of Ljubljana there are also floods. There might be floods in Croatia, I'm not too sure, but there are, you know, people in my country are keeping in contact with them if there are gonna be any. Not enough power because there's not enough grip. Look at that. I'm just going, but it doesn't want to grip. I have to use more power than usual. Jesus. Hope I don't break the iPhone because that's going to be a real bummer. Okay. Yeah, so center of Ljubljana looks okay despite the rain. Not all water is going to the drainage system. As you can see, there's still a bunch left over. A lot of cars in the streets still, despite the terrible conditions outside of Ljubljana. I asked my mom if we could like check out what's going on outside of Ljubljana, you know, Maribor, Kamnik, Celje, but she said no, she doesn't want to accidentally break the car. Same goes for Medvode. There's also a bunch of floods there. A bunch of stores are still open despite all this rain. Luckily. There's still a ton of water. It's like a water slide here. Like a it's literally a water slide. Can't focus. There we go. They're literally standing where it's raining. You know, it's raining here, so it's basically pointless. Businesses are still open, family businesses or not. Don't know if this is active, maybe not. I would absolutely not want to have McDonald's at a time like this. Oh cool, hot McDonald's, great. Someone's like, why are you on the phone? Terrible weather. Gotta keep on this. Never been to this part before, and I've gone up here. So you can see in Ljubljana, in the center of Ljubljana at least, the weather's not that bad, quite a lot of rain, but outside of here it's pretty bad. Okay. A lot of cars here. Where did I end up? I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh, no, yeah, it's steps. Brakes aren't braking in the good way. No, wait, in the bad way. Both ways, actually. They're not falling apart, but they're not really effective either. They're disc brakes, which are usually good, but not now. No, they're thin. There's a ton of rain. The capability is bad right now. Okay. Look at that bowl. Okay. A lot of water on the roads, I gotta mention. This does not look safe. Whoa, what the hell? That is not good, basically. That's not a good thing. Gotta admit. Oh, there's a road sign on the ground. That's not good either. Stick broke in half. No. Oh. Okay. Not good, any of this. Seriously, everything's falling apart. It's like a Lego. To be fair, it is like Lego, but not in a good way. Speed and power. People still gotta deliver food? What the hell? That's bad. I feel bad for the people who still have to deliver food. That's gotta be awful in this crappy weather. Okay. It's a bear. Very cool. Oh, struggle to get on there. Even if I tried, I don't think I'd make it to where the floods are. It's either too far away or too hard to get there. You know, with this stupid rain. It's seriously, it's either a ton of rain or it's just very gentle and then boom, a lot of rain again. You know? Doesn't seem like it's gonna end anytime soon either. Apparently on the news they reported there's gonna be even more thunderstorms tomorrow. So it's gonna get worse than this weather right now. Yeah, that's not good. It's gonna get worse than all of this. All the floods in different towns in my country. So, yeah, you can already tell it's not gonna end well eventually. Dude, this rain is gonna crumble this country into pieces. Look at all this water, it's not being flooded at all. Oh my god. I don't think that doesn't look good. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be my turn in 5 seconds. Let's go. Power. Come on, man, that was basically green. Can't phone me for that. Have to go on the cycler's route because it's better ground too. Yeah, this is gonna be slippery. This is more grippy. We need grip right now if we want to stay standing or sitting, I guess. It's pretty bad. Anyways, yeah, this weather sucks. Oh, Indian. Cool. Really windy. The lights don't work. That's always a good sign. All traffic lights to be more precise and smart sounding. Because what I'm doing right now is not smart. Oh my god, that's a lot of water. What the hell? Holy crap. What? I didn't even think of looking at that. It's a lot of water. I'll go this way even though I shouldn't be. Seriously, ground is still ground. You're just not allowed on that. Maybe this, I don't know. Still, should be fine. I'll be over quick. Look. Look at how much water there is, dude. It's never been this high up. At least I don't think so. Honestly, I don't think. What the hell? It's dirty as hell, too. Look, the stream is coming from that way, so we're just gonna follow that direction if we can. At least. I hope I don't break this phone because it's a really good phone. It's like iPhone 7 Plus. Not water resistant, so please don't break. Oh. Plenty of storage, dude. Please don't break. Don't break. Don't break. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, it's a lot of concrete bricks. Staying on this, even though it's really bouncy compared to that, but we have more grip. It's gonna be really important when there's a ton of rain right now. So we're just gonna stay on this bricky road instead of that smooth bricky road. Well, unless we would have to skip someone. Yeah, this is way more slippery. Jesus Christ. We're gonna stay on that road. We're gonna keep following that direction and see where it leads up to. Maybe we'll find the town where there's floods and we can see how the people are doing and stuff. I'm guessing not good. But you never know. Because houses are being flooded. Houses are being flooded. Oh my god. Houses being flooded. Tourists from the Netherlands or other countries are not really enjoying this stay, I'd say. I don't know, because they're here where there's not too many floods, they might be trying to relax. But you never know. It's still pretty annoying, this constant raining. It's like turning on rain in Minecraft. I know, weird comparison, and it's like it's never going off. It's like weather cycle got disabled. Jesus, even my seat is now wet. Jesus Christ. It's like infinite rain. This leather jacket I bought a while ago is really coming handy now. Whoa, that could have gone down badly. Yes! Come on! What? Well, at least some people are having a good time. That's good. There shouldn't be. There's always supposed to be a good and the bad, and this is currently the bad. Oh, sorry, this is currently the good and the bad. A lot of rain everywhere. Sorry that I'm pointing down so much. I just don't want random people to get filmed. Alright, where's this stream of water coming from? Oh, Jesus. Weekends. Lake still should be somewhere in that general area. Alright. Are they really gonna have a concert in these conditions? Are you kidding me? Dude, the weather is horrible. Why are they gonna have a concert? It's like a terrible idea. One poorly plugged in wire or exposed wire and boom, everything's going to shreds. Uh-oh. Okay, we're good. Oh no. Boom! Okay, now there's not a lot of people. I can film normally. And by a lot of people, not by a lot of people, I mean basically no one. There's a bar here with no parking allowed. And they're gonna get all these stuff finished in this terrible rain. Some people are just wearing shorts. What? In this weather? Oh my god. Okay. Never gone this far in town yet. So we're literally exploring because of this bad weather. Bruh. Literally, bruh. That doesn't go anywhere. That doesn't. Oh, Jesus. That doesn't go where much either. Nope. Bike time. Bike carry. Oh, I'm carrying you, bike. Oh. Ow. Okay. I think we can continue now. Okay, we're going, we're zooming. Oh God. Brake. Seriously, it's broken. I don't think we're ever gonna pass because it's clearly broken, so jaywalking approved. Oh Jesus, the shifting is getting even more rough than usual. Oh. Ow. Well, okay. Really bad weather. Thank God my brother taught me how to write without hands. Otherwise my phone would be broken. Okay, oh Jesus. Whoa, that's a lot of water. Because it's also coming from that direction. Down there. Is that a helicopter? Where a helicopter? It's over there. Helicopter way over there. I don't know if you can see it though. Yeah, look. Oh. Whoa, UK card. Cool. I don't think they're happy they're experiencing their own weather here too. Wow. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. I am exhausted. I'm not even pedaling that hard or anything. I'm just exhausted because this weather, you know, your body's trying to keep you cold, but the weather, you know, because of the weather, it's cold and it's really wet. So your body is using more energy to keep you cold. It's terrible conditions. Rocks it is, I guess. This is not gonna end well at all, is it? Slide in between. Okay, that worked. Oh my God, you see how high it is? Look at how high that water is, bro. Oh God. Oh, look at all this water. Luckily, barely any water got in my shoe so far. Yeah, that's gonna end quick. Luckily, I am going slower. Jesus Christ. So I'm saving more energy. Ducks, are you gonna be okay? This is a lot of water, man. What? Is this where they filmed the Voyage shift running scenes? Cool. At least I think it is. Now this looks familiar, all the trees and everything. Maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure. Wherever they're filming, in really good weather, somehow. Because here, it's not good weather. Look at all this water, what the hell? Terrible weather. Oh cool, the bar. I don't have money with me, so that sucks. Can't get a drink. Oh, anything. Not going anywhere. Might as well check. Oh, the shifting is terrible. Oh, oh Jesus. Whoa. Okay. Did that work? Oh my God, it actually worked. What? Wow, this is actually a useful idea. Okay. Probably gonna head home. before I definitely get sick. And break this phone. I really don't want to break this phone. Why must you filming? That sounded like a fucking. It sounded like a squeal my dog makes when he's like not getting attention or wants hugs. He's like something like that. That he does. When he wants to go on the couch, when we're on the couch, that's the type of noise he makes. It's really adorable. I should film it sometime. Okay, I'm gonna head home. If anything interesting happens, I'll start recording again. I'm gonna stop filming before I break the phone. Bye bye. Dickhead of a bus driver way back there. He was a dick, God. You can't say otherwise. Okay, that's just again the same bus. This is why you need phone cases. That poor frame. Oh no, even more. Luckily the screen is fine, but the body pains. Listen here, God. That bus driver was a dick. He splashed me with 1 billion liters of water twice. He punished me by damaging this beautiful, like really beautiful conditioned phone. Screw you, God, rude dickhead. God and that bus driver, they're teaming up against me. Damn it, man.